Today we talk about the story of an eagle. The eagle has the longest lifespan. It can live up to 70 years. But to reach this age, the eagle must take a very difficult decision. In its 14th year, the eagle's long and flexible talons can no longer grab a prey, which serves as food. Its long and sharp beak becomes bent. Its old-aged and heavy wings, due to their thick feathers, stick to its chest and make it difficult to fly. Then the eagle is left with only two options: die or go through a painful process of change. This process lasts for 150 days, 5 months. This process requires the eagle to fly a mountain top and sit on its nest. There, the eagle knocks its beaks against a rock until it plucks it out. Then the eagle will wait for the new beaks to grow back, after which it pluck out its talon. When its talons grow back, the eagle starts plucking its old feathers, and after this, the eagle takes its famous flight of rebirth and lives for 30 more years. Why is change needed? To survive and live, we too have to start a change process. We sometimes need to get rid of the unpleasant old memories, negative habits, our fixed mindset. Only freed from the past burdens can we take advantages of the present. If an eagle can make a life saving and life changing decision at the age of 40, why can't we? In order to take on a new journey ahead, let go of your negative old limiting beliefs. Open up your mind and let yourself fly high like an eagle. When it rains, all birds find shelter, but eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. The problem is common to all, but the attitude to solve it makes the difference. Don't be afraid of a change. Accept it gracefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.